Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through a super clean, easy to understand manufacturing cost flow problem. So here's the data for our freight company, Apex manufacturing industry. We've got purchases of direct materials, freight in, direct labor, indirect materials, and a bunch of utilities and taxes where only a percentage relates to the factory. We also have beginning and ending inventories for raw materials, work in process, and finished goods. This whole problem is designed to teach you the most important relationships: DM used, total manufacturing costs, COGM, COGS. Okay, biggest beginner mistake right here. Feed in always goes with direct materials. So here's a formula: beginning DM purchases, feed in, then minus ending DM. There will be direct materials used. For our problem, that gives us $144,000. Here's where students get destroyed. Not every expense is factory related. Utilities, maybe amortization, depends. Property taxes depends. Apex manufacturing gives us percentages, so we take utilities times 80%, amortization times 70%, property taxes times 65%, add indirect materials, and boom, you get total manufacturing overhead 147,000. Anything not factory related goes straight to operating expenses. That was the second mistake students usually made. Now we just add direct materials used, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead, which is 416,000. COGM is the value of products that were completed this year. Formula is beginning working process, total manufacturing costs minus ending working process, which is cost COGM $420,000. Finally, when products are sold, they become cost of goods sold, beginning finished good plus COGM minus ending finished goods, which is $425,000. If this video helped you finally understand manufacturing cost flows, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which topic you want next.